Hi, my name's Giggs, and I wouldn't be here talking to you today had it not been for the generosity of all those people that donate blood and have basically kept me alive for the last 52 years. The condition I have is beta thalassemia major, and it's basically a severe blood disorder. I've had the condition all my life. I was diagnosed at 6 months old and basically received blood since a baby. So in effect, you know, I've been having blood all my life, but without it, I don't really have a chance. Blood gently, it helps me to maintain as normal life as possible. I often look at the bag of blood when they're putting it up in the hospital, and I do wonder where that blood has come from and how thankful I am for it. If someone were to ask me, what would you like for Christmas? I think probably the one thing, and probably the only thing I would say out as corny as it sounds, is donate blood. It's probably the most amazing thing you can do. It's the best present you could give someone. It's what keeps me alive and helps me to enjoy life, helps me to enjoy my family. I just want to say thank you for those that do give blood. I am forever grateful for the chance to live. So thank you.